A 32-year-old Zimbabwean woman who requested not to be identified says she received an injection of the HIV prevention drug called cabotegravir while she was working in the US. She had been taking HIV prevention pills for 7 years. But after she received the shot in April, and now that Zimbabwe has approved it, she's hoping to take the injection every 2 months.
Well, I prefer the injection to the pill because the injection is convenient. You only get a shot after every 2 months. Unlike the pills, you have to take them every day at the same time. And there's a risk of defaulting because there are a lot of things that happens during the day or in life, actually. You might go to a funeral, you forget your pills at home. So with this injection, you only get a shot after every 2 months. And it's only 6 shots per year, which is better preferred to tablets.
Zimbabwe is the first African country to approve the use of the cabotegravir or cabla. The US approved the drug in December 2021 and Australia in 2022. Zimbabwe introduced a 3% AIDS levy in 1999 to help fund the country's response to HIV and AIDS. Individuals pay 3% income tax and employers and trusts pay 3% on profits for the efforts. The World Health Organization has commended Zimbabwe for approving cabotegravir, saying it would pave the way to providing more safe and effective options for HIV prevention. The Medicines Control of Zimbabwe, or MCAZ, says for now cabotegravir is only allowed for HIV prevention.
There are going to be other preparations containing cabotegravir, which may be submitted at a later time by the applicants or the manufacturers of the product, which will be used for treatment. But the current one, which is approved, is meant only for prevention of HIV and not for treatment.
Dr. Nyaradzo Mugodi of the University of Zimbabwe Clinical Trials Research Center headed trials in 9 African countries. She says the drug is very effective and is calling for Zimbabwe to roll out cabotegravir as soon as possible.
Because us as African women, we continue getting HIV at alarming rates, and one infection is one infection too many. When we've got something that works, we should make it available to the person or the persons who need it.
Supporters say access to drug will also help Zimbabweans stop relying as much on other countries for drugs to treat HIV/AIDS. Columbus Mavhunga for VOA News, Harare, Zimbabwe.